Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to Just Now Vlogs, and if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button down at the bottom and click that like button and click the notification button so you're notified when I upload a video. And yeah, let's get into it. Yeah. What is up, guys? So we're leaving the restaurant right now. If you guys do live in Janesville, Wisconsin, come around to Rockin' Rob's.
We are currently open 24 hours a day. We do deliver, and breakfast is from 6 a.m. until 11 a.m. So if you want to try some good home-cooked food, come try it out.
95% of that menu is all fresh. Yes, we do have certain frozen items that we cannot make fresh, like our appetizers. But we do make onion rings and cheese curds and fries, all fresh, never frozen beef. So, yeah.
Never frozen chicken.
Yeah, I think I was speeding by that cop anyways.
You didn't bother you.
Hey, that's good. Fucking hate cops. They're good guys, but they're not. They're good guys, but when they bother me, they're not.
Yeah. Especially since they know this vehicle.
Yeah, now.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Now they know this vehicle. They don't know mine.
Touche.
Technically, they don't know me.
Touche.
They just
assumed it was nothing.
Yeah, that's why they had.
That's why they did what they did.
See if I can get it.
That's right there.
It'll work. Alright, jump on, get this one. I'll meet you over there. So how's your guys' day going? Haven't really filmed that much. I know you guys have seen the Mondays and Fridays coming out. I need to get back to scheduling them so then I don't have to keep on uploading them. And then you guys are just waiting for videos throughout the day, you know what I mean? So, look at his old little ass running. Thought you grabbed two papers.
I thought I was going to, but I forgot.
Oh. But yeah, just out doing the route again. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Figured we'd film instead of going live because last night we tried to go live and it wound up just being stupid.
Yeah.
So
I think it was the app.
I think sometime tonight, since it is fucking 4 o'clock in the morning,
4:30 in the morning,
and we're really, really late on papers today.
Yeah.
Well, the papers are up here. No cops in here. Whatever. So you can get it tonight. Oh, you got it.
They're heavy enough.
Normally you miss it.
Listen, smarty pants.
I think that's the driveway that I backed up and
Yeah. And you
oh yeah. Yeah, I know. I don't know why I passed it. Thank you.
No problem.
So how's your day, Tony?
Oh, not too bad. I've only been up since you called me at 10:30.
Yeah.
I actually laid down for. I looked at my phone and I thought it was 10 something? No,
Yeah, I left early because I knew I was going to be having to go back to the house and drop off Grizzly. Grizzly, oh yeah. Grizzly really wanted to go for a car ride, so.
Well, at least you got to meet me and Eric.
Oh,
Bless you.
hell.
Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
In the wintertime, I wouldn't be fucking speeding.
Oh, hell no. You going the speed limit.
Yeah, especially in the winter.
Oh.
And there's ice on the
In the
ground.
wintertime, if there's snow in this driveway, never pull in.
Okay.
They do not want tracks in their driveway until they snowfall.
Oh, okay. So just walk up?
Yep. We're going to be dealing with this a lot. No, wrong way.
Oh, yeah. Why am I trying to turn there? I'm not awake. I got this and then I'll get my energy.
Yeah.
Alright, which house is it?
It's the White House after the Yellow House and the stairs.
This house.
Yep. Right here.
Oh, yeah, the stairs.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Wow! Got that on camera.
Yep. I wish we would have got that one shot at
I know! He got a perfect shot. I'm gonna show it on camera right now. Ain't that fucking cool? Oh, dude. That's fucking awesome!
That was definitely a three-pointer. And I haven't done that in like 5 years.
So today, this is gonna be an extra long video because I'm it's probably gonna be too.
Pull in here and I'll toss it.
Yeah. I had in. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can do this. So then I don't have to pull into the driveway today.
Yeah, you still gotta go back out that driveway.
I know, fuck.
That was smooth as butter.
I know.
Now we
It's a
go
big
back.
parking lot.
Yeah, it was just, dude, thankful we didn't.
They
have
could
to
do that and do a fucking U-turn so then we wouldn't have to pull into a driveway.
left.
Oh yeah.
And we can always get this guy on the last driveway here. On the way back.
That one?
Yeah.
Alright. You just have to remind me. Yeah, I could do a U-turn and I'd throw it.
That
Then.
house right there.
Yep, right here.
House right
Right here.
there.
I remember.
Yep. If there's an envelope, grab it.
So guys, eventually I'm gonna have a body cam, pretty much, where you guys are gonna be on myself, either the head cam or the other. I'm thinking I'm not gonna do the head cam. I think I'm gonna do the other. But
Behind us on that street, there's a cop just sitting there.
is that the cop?
That is a cop.
Is it? Huh. Okay. I didn't realize there was a cop on that street.
I noticed it when you went to turn in the driveway, but like I said, I think they live here. They live in this area.
Huh.
Giving me a little bit of a heads up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. At least with it being windy, papers are heavy enough.
Dude, I threw it and it curved it
Yeah.
onto the porch.
Nice.
I don't know if it stayed on the porch.
Mm.
Hope it did. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. And it's them
Then
too.
it's toast to do. Oh, I need
Oh.
some warm coffee. Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, this is just gonna be an extra long clip today on this one. I'll stop it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Device is just fine. My phone just said, device is too hot. Bitch, you're just fine. You're not dying, so. My device is like, it's too hot.
Come on. Wrong thing, girl. Wrong. Tried to grab a paper and I almost grabbed a rubber band instead. What took you so long?
I'm taking my time,
We'll get done when we get done.
I guess.
That's
Yeah.
Eric's motto.
I'm
We get done.
speeding, but I'm taking my time right now because I don't feel like running.
Oh, that's Eric's motto. We'll get done when we get done.
We're turning into that driveway, right?
Yep.
This is the side.
Give me nope. It's the front porch.
Oh yeah, it's the front.
Oh, hell. Toss it up.
I just knocked over something.
Oh, well. Yeah, I got a bunch made up and it's pinned down here. Now I gotta start working some goals. Oops.
Whatever.
That wasn't even, like, you didn't even try to do that.
No.
That was just one of those, a little extra power.
Yeah.
More power.
Get this house and then I'll turn.
That's gotta be bad for sure.
Huh?
That's gotta be
That
bad
just
for
got
sure.
changed.
Wow. And
Yeah.
It's something.
It's
with
just
your-
an old car.
Yeah, but it's also something to do with your right hand side.
Doesn't squeak when you're moving.
Right. It's only when you turn.
When I'm turning it, we'll stop.
Yeah.
Alright, which house?
This house here.
Oh yeah.
Orange dot, or orange lights. Orange dot, yeah. I'm not tired.
Yeah. Hey, sweetheart. How have you been?
I'm out.
I said, where have you been? Are you cheating on me with someone else?
Yeah, with Rosie Palmer and her 5
Another stop sign, right?
Yeah.
And then go through.
Yeah.
This stop sign or second stop sign?
This stop sign.
First on the right.
Very good.
And then the second.
Good.
I'll drop you off there. I'll go get the next one.
Yeah. Hey, what a catch! Look at that. It didn't even touch the ground.
Give me the next one. I'll get the next one. Okay.
Yeah,
Stop those up there. And then jump on.
I already know they're gonna fall.
Yep.
I figured. Well, at least most of them landed in the sea.
Hey. Get another bungee.
Yeah.
We can bungee them in.
You know, like about Tyler came up with a good idea. You see where he mounted his CB? I put the papers right here on the back of it, and they do not move at all.
Yeah, I could probably fucking put it into here. And then clip that there. Okay? And then put the other one into here. And then they'd be stuck there.
Son of a bitch.
What? You got more down there, yeah?
No, rubber band.
Oh. Why don't you get those done up? Real quick. We got enough time. Just like we did last night.
Yeah.
Do that. I'll have a cigarette while you're doing that. We're back in the driveway, but yeah, get those set up.
Park in the road.
Yeah, get set up. I'm gonna just relax. And then we'll see you guys once he's done. Oh, we'll see you guys in the next one, you know. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys did like this video and want to see more, subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload a video. And like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Deuces!